Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Signature, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's scroll all the way down to find Special App Access, and here scroll down again to localize Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a website from my browser. So all we have to do is to find it in the list. So in my case it would be Chrome, and tap on it. Then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source, and as you can see, after getting back you can find the information that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.